Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, I have shown you that how will analysis for a cantilever beam, and in this video I'll show you that how will design for a cantilever beam, and also I have discussed about many types of beam design and analysis by using STAAD Pro. So you can watch that. The link is given in description, and they have many other video about our engineering related, civil engineering related, so you can watch that. So let's start. First of all, I will open STAAD Pro, and from here I will open our previous model, or from here also you can find out that. So press here, and that was our model, and to design that we have to provide our design properties, assign our design properties. For that we have to press here design, and after that select here, before that we have to select here concrete, and for that we have to select here our code. We'll select ACL 318/2011. After that we'll go ahead, select property, press here to remove all, and from here we'll select the 3 for clear cover, select that, and from here FC prime, select that, and FY. In my every video I have assigned that, so you can watch that. So define properties, and here CB elements, clear cover of outmost bottom reinforcement, add that, press here CLS, clear cover for outmost side reinforcement, add that, CLT, clear cover for outmost top reinforcement, add that, FC prime, I'll take the default data. You can change compressive extent of concrete, you can use that data, and that is keep KSF. So add that, and if I will also use that data, default data. You can change that data according to your concrete grade, but it should be, the unit is keep per square feet. You have to select that code when we have started our model, then we have selected that code, feet and keep. After that add that and close that. After that we have to assign that wall data in our structure, as I am going to assigning all data for both beam and column. And if you need to use that clear cover, FC or FY for different value for different criteria, you can also add that. Just define properties, give a different value here, and add like that. So I'll assign that. I'll assign in both. So assign to view, when we'll select assign to view, it will assign the data in both. Assign, yes, then again press here, similarly assign to view, assign, yes, similarly assign to view, assign, yes, here assign to view, assign, yes, assign to view, assign, yes. Okay, we have done to assign our every properties. After that we'll go here, comment what we want to design. We will design for beam, so add. We'll design for column, so add, close that. So to design our beam we have to define that which portion are beam and which portion are column, because STAAD Pro don't know about that, so you have to assign that. So I'll select that portion. Before that you have to select here beam cursor, and that select beam, and here assign to selected beam, assign, yes. After that click here to deselect, then design column, select column, then press here design column, assign to selected beam, assign, Yes. So we have assigned everything. If you go here, this is the member. This is the member of. If we go have properties, so for properties it's showing that it's beam. Here is the beam. Our section types are beam, and okay, close that. So after that we have done everything. Now we'll go for design. So for design we have to run analysis, perform analysis. Okay, again click here, run analysis. So our analysis is done. When our analysis is done, we have to go here, view output file, then press here OK, concrete design, and here is our data for our design. This is for our beam. We have these are provided feet. There's the value fi is I mean our 60 grade reinforcement, and here the our FC is 4000, and our section is 9 into 9 inch. And if you go down, we are seeing that where our data are required, it's showing that, and this is the value for our column. So we'll close that and we'll see it manually. So if we double click here, this is the, just to see the data here you have to select, double click, and from here you will find out here the geometry. After that property, which property we have provided, we will find that here. After that loading, so for which load it's working, in column it will take load from beam and it's self-word, that's why they have no load. There is the shear and bending, and therefore shear, and this is for bending, and for deflection, this is for deflection, this is local deflection, this is global deflection, and concrete design. So this is the data for concrete design of our column. It's taking 8 reinforcement, number of 8 bar, and our bar size is number 4 bar, and bar number is 8, number 4 8 bar, and total area required 1.44, and AS, here AS is 1.11%. So this is for our column. And if we go especially for our beam, and here is our all property. If we go for beam, here this is for shear bending, and if we go for shear, this is for shear and this is for bending, and we know that here is the fixed support, that's why it will creating bending like that and shear like that. And we also know that it should be after the deflection, here is the deflection 0.074 inch, and the concrete design, it's showing that for concrete design, it's showing the concrete, it's showing all concrete and top, because we know that its moment are working in top, that's why it's showing wall reinforcement are in top, because when moment are in top, then if we go in moment diagram, here moment, we are seeing that here is the moment diagram, that's why when moment are in top, then it will create tension in top, that's why we have to provide reinforcement in top, that's why there have no reinforcement in bottom, and all reinforcement are provided in top. Then close that, and that is the way to design for our cantilever beam. And in our next video I will show that how we will design for a circular beam, I mean how we will design a circular beam, and how we will analyze that and design that. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, just press the like button so that I can understand that is really helpful for you. And if you have any problem, just comment below so that I can solve that problem. And stay connected till next video.